This is the life. Huh? Is that? Ryan! My Prince Charming! My soulmate! My heart's beating faster than the waves! Hey!
Wow, an actual sea goddess. If this is a dream, I don't want to wake up.
Aww!
I've never felt this way before. I'm nothing without you. Will you marry me?
Oh, yes! 100 times yes! Mwah.
We'll seal the deal with a kiss.
What the?
Wake up, sleepy Ariel.
It was the best part!
Don't just dream it, do it. Here's your plan.
Huh? Did you make this? You surprised me. Let's do it. This is all for him. Mwah. So, where do I begin my mermaid makeover? Gotta find a cute top first. Let's see. Shells? Sequins? Something sparkly has to be in here. Ugh, really? This is the best I've got? Hey, maybe this isn't trash after all.
What are you doing?
Ugh, I'm struggling! Help!
Ugh, tragic. You need me. That's not how it's done. Whew. This might hurt. Phew. What?
But what about my shirt?
Oh, I know what to do. And Nemo over there is gonna help me. Sorry to bother you, fishy. Giant shells and pearls. That's Mermaid 101. Wait, I could use that too.
So what's the plan?
Oh, you're gonna love this.
I trust you fully.
Then let's begin. Step 1. We need a base. Strapless works best. These babies will instantly transform this boring top into undersea couture. Plain shells? No way. Painted shells? Now that's magic. Forget every other color. Pearly baby blue reigns supreme. Shells are the base, pearls are the sparkle. Not bad, huh? Almost like I know what I'm doing. You're welcome.
Wow! Thanks! It fits perfectly. Thanks to you, I can check the top off the list. And done! Good work, team!
I did all the work, but sure.
What's next? Nemo? Any ideas? Oh, that's right! It's the tail! The most important part of my mermaid makeover! Huh, how do I even make fins without, you know, being a fish? Aha! Maybe that can help! I don't know how yet, but I'll figure it out.
Can you go?
Whoa, it was stinky in there. Okay, back to work. I mean, it's kind of tail-shaped, right? Ugh, nope. Hey, there must be something useful in my closet. Not this. Nope.
Uh-oh.
Huh? Hey, is that my sandwich?
No.
Anyway, I have more important things to worry about than a sandwich. Like how to make a tail. This doesn't work either. Huh? What kind of mischief is he up to? As his sister, I need to stop him before he makes something stupid. Hey! Oh no! Come here, you!
Whoa! Ouch!
Ugh! My head!
Why would you do that?
You were acting stupid! But you just gave me an idea! And it's a fantastic idea! Finally, my tail is coming together! It's gonna take a little patience, though. 'Cause this is no simple task. See ya, human legs! From head to tail, my transformation continues.
Wait, it's not done yet! Ooh. Now that's what I call mermazing!
DIY? More like DIY!
Yeah, looks better than I imagined!
Here comes another check! Not bad, bro. You're a great helper.
2 balls, 3 balls, ugh!
Oops, I almost forgot my makeover. According to the checklist, makeup's next. Time to dig through my treasure chest of makeup. Ew, is this makeup or a fossil collection? Gross! That's it. I'm never touching this again. How about… Oh man, it's like my makeup's cursed. Ugh, this is a total disaster. What am I gonna do?
I'm getting good at this.
Aha! It's bribe time. Yoo-hoo!
What's up?
I'll give you a candy if you grab Mom's makeup bag for me.
Whoa! Consider it done! I'm back. Here it is.
Awesome! Thanks! And here's your candy. Time to play with her expensive makeup. Yay! Our shades match! No need for too much, just a tiny squeeze.
Huh? Uh-oh! Watch out!
What the… No! Ugh! You ruined everything! Wait, maybe not. Sorry, I was too harsh on you. This might look weird, but it actually works. Improvisation at its best, huh? The foundation is blending seamlessly. Ta-da! Perfect base. Smooth and flawless. Now watch my next hack. It's pure genius. Just dab the brush, and hello, instant scales. I'm officially part fish now.
Is this chocolate?
Hands off! That belongs on my face. This shade, it's called Ocean Crush. You thought this was for my lips? Think again. Mermaid glam has no rules. Lipstick goes everywhere. Huh? You look like a clown. Anyway, makeup? Check. Yay! I'm almost there. You silly goose.
Love you too, sis.
I'm still not fully a mermaid. Only the hair left before I'm officially ocean ready. I've got no clue how to style it.
It looks like detangling time.
I don't need that brush for now.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
Makeup was easy, but hair? Ugh, no! I'm lost.
Aha! Don't worry, sis. Consider me the lifeguard for your hair emergency.
Huh? What were you thinking?
Sorry. Not sorry. Trust me, it's gonna be perfect.
Okay.
You have no other choice anyway. Who needs a salon when you've got me, am I right? Pink waves incoming. Just wait for the grand reveal. It's time.
Finally! I can't wait to see the result. Wow!
What do you think?
I love it, but something's missing.
Nothing's ever enough for you. I got you covered.
That's stinky.
It's the best you've got. This, my dear sister, is what we call budget glam. From laundry to glam. Just like that.
If this turns out cute, I'll never doubt you again. Shall I?
Go ahead.
Sock hack for the win!
Every masterpiece needs a finishing touch.
No way!
Don't worry, this one's safe to use on hair. This last step will make the whole look pop. Here we go. Tiny waves to match the big ones. And with these pearls, consider yourself crowned.
I love all the details! This is everything I dreamed of. And that completes the list!
Yay!
Thank you for helping me.
What are brothers for? I'm here. Oh, someone's here.
Let's see who.
On it. Hello? Oh! Wait! Guess who's here? Ryan's at the door! Your dream boy!
Huh? But I don't feel ready yet.
Alright, let's run through the checklist one more time. Oh, I know what's missing. It's your ears.
Ears?
You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm about to give you the most fabulous mermaid ears ever. Those are the final pieces of the puzzle. The shape's complete. Now let's set them free. Careful, steady hands. This is ear surgery. Turning sketches into reality. Time to transform boring into breathtaking. Plain paper? Not on my watch. I'm gonna add some shine. 'Cause you know about mermaid rule number 1. If it doesn't sparkle, it's not done. They're ready to clip on. Try them on.
Wow, so cute! They match the whole look perfectly. This is the best idea ever! Yes! Now I feel complete.
Here he comes.
Hey!
Okay, I'm out of here.
Wow, you look like you just swam out of a fairy tale.
Aw, thanks! Kiss the girl?
I'd love that.
Huh? Again? A dream in a dream? What kind of inception is this? Whoa! My tail's still here! It was real!
Of course it was.